is Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Today I'm going to show you a really simple way to make taco seasoning like you buy in the store in the packets, only with 6 ingredients and no salt. Super easy, and it tastes so flavorful, and it's a lot better than buying those unknown chemical-laden filled packets of taco seasoning. So let me show you real quick how you do it. First thing you're going to need is chili powder. We're going to be doing 6 tablespoons of chili powder. I keep mine in a canning jar, and I've made a pourable lid. Mine's very old, so it's all got taco seasoning all over it. I show you how to do that in one of my other videos. But I'm just going to put 6 tablespoons of chili powder into my jar. I'm going to need 6 teaspoons of cumin. And I also use a funnel that I've made off from cutting the top of a 2-liter bottle. Makes a real paprika. I'm going to need 5 teaspoons of paprika. Need 3 teaspoons of onion powder. I'm going to need 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm going to need 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or red pepper. Lid back on my jar. I usually put a towel or something over it to shake it up, because that powder's fine and it can work its way out of the grooves and everything. And there you have it, taco seasoning. You use 2 tablespoons of this powder mix per 1 pound of ground hamburger or ground chicken. I also use it in casseroles and all sorts of things. So I hope you give this a try. It's easy, it's affordable, it's using things that you probably already have in your spice cabinet. And it's so much better than paying 89 cents to $1 for like 1 ounce of taco seasoning that you can keep in your pantry or your spice cabinet and use whenever you need it. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Bye.